How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your Acer Nitro XV271U monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the OSD controls. Most likely it's going to be at the back of your monitor or on the side panels. You just want to click on any one of those buttons and this menu will show up. From there, you want to use the standard picture mode. The brightness, you can set this according to your room lighting, but generally you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains, especially for longer gaming sessions. For contrast, at 50 and the black boost is going to be off. For the color, you want to use the user calibration or the user profile. Basically, this way we'll be able to set it our red, green, and blues. You want to use 100 red, green at 96, and blue at 98. For gamma, 2.2 and the color space is going to be sRGB for the best accuracy. And lastly, for performance or gaming, you want to use your max refresh rate. Now this can depend on the cable that you are using. Generally, you want to use the DisplayPort because it can provide us with the best refresh rates that will provide us the smoothest display. For overdrive, you want to set it to normal. The adaptive sync is going to be on, and the VRB or the blur reduction is going to be off. And so, those are the best settings for your Acer Nitro monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.